Wow, look at this place.
It's so busy.
I can't wait to see the planes. Me too.
Wow, this place is huge.
Look at all the people. I can't wait to fly.
Let's go check the board. All right, buddy. Welcome to camp.
Wow, it's so big. Hi, I'm Tom. Hi, Tom.
Bye, Mom and Dad. I'll miss you.
We love you, Tom. Be safe.
Have a great time, son. I will. See you.
Hi, I'm Aisha. Welcome to camp. Hi, I'm Tom. It's great to meet you. I'm Carlos. Ready for adventures? Yes, let's go. Wow, this is my cabin. These bunk beds look so cozy. And what a beautiful view.
Hi, I'm Tom. Hey, Tom, I'm your counselor. Ready for an awesome week?
Yeah, what are we doing?
First, a quick tour. Let's go. Deep in the forest, they found a glowing cave.
What was inside?
A hidden treasure guarded by a dragon. Look, a squirrel.
Wow, so cute.
Quick, a picture.
Nice one.
Okay, Tom, swing it back and cast forward.
Like this?
Perfect. Now reel in slowly.
Okay. This is the life, right? You said it, Tom. Ready for s'mores, everyone?
Yeah! Look at the trees on the bank. Yeah, it's beautiful. We're making good time.
Wow, this forest is amazing. Look, a deer, and colors are the best day ever. Ready, team? Go! Got it! Coming through! We're almost there! Yes, we did it! Ready, team? Go! Got it! Coming through! We're almost there! Yes, we did it! Your turn, Sarah. Okay, here I go. Wow, a 6! This beats the rain. Yeah, way better.
The big show's tonight. Let's make it great. I practiced all week. I hope I don't freeze.
You got this, Tom!
Go, team! Got it. We're winning!
Okay, let's start cooking. I'll put the skewers on. Wow, that smells perfect.
Come on, Tom. You can do it. Yeah, don't be a scaredy cat. Okay, here I go.
Let's make a nature journal. Yes, we can draw all the animals and the plants and landscapes. This will be a great keepsake.
Hey, everybody, are you ready to rock?
This is my last lesson.
Wow, the stars are incredible tonight. They are. Look, that's the Big Dipper. Amazing. Thanks for showing us.
Go team, almost there. I've got it, Tom. We won. Yes, high five. Wow, the stars are amazing. Yeah, and the fire's so warm. This is the best camp out ever.
Campfire glow, friends in tow, singing songs we all write, makes everything alright.
Let's make friendship bracelets. Great idea for our summer memories. Yeah, let's our friendship.
Wow, this is harder than it looks.
You're doing great, Tom. Keep that rhythm. I feel it.
All right, team, let's clean this up. I'm on it. Got the big stuff. Great job, everyone.
Campers, it's time to say goodbye.
I had so much fun this summer. I'll miss you all.
Wow, camp memories. The lake with my friends and the campfire stories. So much fun. I miss those days. Wow, we're finally here.
It's so beautiful. The sign. Let's go explore.
You got it, buddy.
My favorite camp activity is hiking. I love exploring the trails, discovering cool plants and animals. It's so much fun being out in nature. Wow, this trail is amazing. Look, a hidden clearing. Fresh air up here. The talent show is almost here. Time to perfect my juggling routine. 1, 2, 3, here we go. Yes, I've got it. This is the best summer ever. Totally, you're my best friend. Best friends forever. Let's catch a big one. Mom, Dad, you're here!
Surprise, sweetie, we missed you.
This is my cabin, come see! Happy birthday, Tom! We got you presents! Wow, thank you!
This summer camp has been incredible. I've learned so much about friendship and resilience. I'll carry these. I'm truly grateful for this experience.
Wow, that's really high. Come on, Tom, you can do this! Yes, I did it! This way, the flag is near the big tree! Yes, I found the red flag!
This is the biggest bonfire yet.
It's perfect, so warm.
Yeah, great for toasted marshmallows and for great friends.
Here comes the kick! I got it! Nice pass! Yeah, great catch! To you now!
Welcome, Tom. Ready to join the orchestra?
Yes, so excited to learn!
Great, let's begin. 1, 2, 3.
Wow, so many trees!
It is. Look, a squirrel.
Cool, he's fast.
Yes, we must respect them.
I will! Gotta find that red bandana! Yes, got it!
This was the best summer. I'll miss it.
We're so proud of you, Tom.
You've grown so much.
Yeah! Wow, I'm finally here! This cabin looks awesome! My new home for the summer!
Watch closely, Tom. Over, under, and pull.
Okay, like this?
Perfect! You've got it.
Cool! Great job, Tom! Now the ladder. Here's another plank. Catch! Got it! It's looking awesome! Look, a hidden path. Wow, wildflowers! And a squirrel! This is amazing! Whoa, that's high! You can do it, Tom! I'm trying! Almost there! I did it! Woo!
Welcome to the camp zoo. Let's meet the animals.
Wow! Can I pet the rabbit?
Of course, Tom.
A monkey! Look! The old stone landmark! Wow, it's so big! It was built by settlers. And a bird!
All right, Tom, line up the sight with the target.
Okay, like this?
Perfect. Now, deep breath and release.
Yes! Bullseye!
This is gonna be fun!
All right, everyone, follow my lead.
I'm getting it! Yeah, this is awesome!
All right, Tom, time to flip them.
Okay, can I try?
Here you go. Give it a try.
It's so good! I got a good card!
Great job, sweetie.
My turn next!
This is the best.
Look at the view!
All right, team, final rehearsal. I'm ready. Let's do this.
Yeah, let's go!
Great job, everyone.
That was perfect!
Great job, Tom. Ready to make a necklace?
Yeah, this is fun!
Awesome. Now try painting a rock.
Cool!
Teamwork. Find the clues.
Over there, by the bushes! Got it! Keep going!
Let's go, team. Paddle hard.
Together, we're gaining! Almost there, push! We did it! First place!
This is the best party ever.
Yeah, keep dancing!
Wow, this trail is amazing.
It is! This is a white oak tree. Whoa!
And these wildflowers attract butterflies.
Can you believe the week is over? I know. It was the best. Remember the obstacle course?
Tom, do you volunteer as a witness?
Yes, I'll be a witness. Awesome! Tell us what you saw. The blue team was fair. We did it! That was awesome! Yeah, we crushed those challenges. Best camp day ever. High five, everyone! Here I go! We did it!
Wait, this doesn't look right.
I think we're lost.
Let's check the map. Look, the trail.
We did it!